Hello, and welcome to Coin Daily. Look no further if you want to learn how to generate money with cryptocurrencies. 3 mechanisms are used to make money with cryptocurrency. To begin, you can invest or trade on a cryptocurrency exchange. You may do this without holding any cryptocurrency at all, similar to how you can invest in gold on the stock market. Second, you can stake and lend coins to the system or other users using the coin you currently own. Finally, you can take part in the blockchain system by mining or collecting coin incentives for your efforts. The following simple ways for making money with cryptocurrencies are based on these 3 mechanics. Investing. Investing is a long-term strategy that involves purchasing and holding crypto assets for an extended period of time. In general, crypto assets are well suited to a buy and hold strategy. They are highly volatile in the short term but offer enormous long-term growth potential. The investing approach necessitates the identification of more stable assets that will last for a long time. Bitcoin and Ethereum, for example, have a history of long-term price increases and can be regarded secure investments in this regard. You can invest in crypto on Binance. There is a link on the description. Trading is supposed to take advantage of short-term opportunities, whereas investing is a long-term endeavor based on the buy and hold strategy. The cryptocurrency market is quite volatile. This means that asset prices can fluctuate considerably in the short term. You must possess the necessary analytical and technical skills to be a successful trader. To create correct forecasts about price increases and declines, you'll need to evaluate market charts on the performance of the listed assets. Depending on whether you expect the price of an asset to climb or fall, you can take a long or short position while trading. This means you can earn whether the cryptocurrency market is bullish or bearish. You can trade in crypto on Binance. There is a link on the description. Lending and staking. Staking is a method of verifying cryptocurrency transactions. You hold coins when you stake, but you don't spend them. You keep the coins in a cryptocurrency wallet instead. Your coins are then used to validate transactions on a proof-of-stake network. As a result, you will be rewarded. To put it another way, you're lending coins to the network. This permits the network's security and transaction verification to be maintained. You'll get a reward that's equivalent to the interest a bank would pay on a credit amount. The proof-of-stake algorithm selects transaction validators depending on the amount of coins you've pledged to stake. As a result, it consumes far less energy than crypto mining and does not necessitate the purchase of expensive machinery. You can also choose to lend coins to other investors in exchange for interest. Crypto financing is made possible by a number of platforms. You can stake and lend crypto on Binance. There is a link on the description. Social media in the crypto world. You will be rewarded for creating and curating content on a number of blockchain-based social media networks. You are frequently awarded with the platform's own coin. Not everyone who invests in cryptocurrency makes a lot of money. However, with enough knowledge and a little luck, there are methods to profit from cryptocurrencies. That is all that I have for this video. I hope that you've learned something and gained additional insight about this project. If you are looking to invest, please be smart and make sure to research beforehand. Other than that, I wish you the best of luck.